Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. In today's video I will show you few methods, what you can do to fix Fall Guys error code 200_1040. Epic Games account error. Session expired. Please restart your game. Error code 200_1040. Before we start, hit that like button, and I will be right back. Okay. First thing you will do, if you haven't already, is to close Epic Games Launcher, and restart your PC, and then try to launch the game. If you still getting that error, you will go and verify game files. Open Epic Games Launcher, and click on Library. Click on these three dots under Fall Guys, and if you have here option to verify, click on it. If you don't have it, click on Manage, and here, click on Verify. This will scan your game for any missing or corrupted files. Wait for the end of scan. And when it finishes, launch the game. Next method is to flush DNS. Right-click on Start, and select Search. Type CMD, and then right-click up here on Command Prompt, and select Run as Administrator. On this window click Yes. This will open your command prompt window, and here you need to type few commands. I will leave you this commands down in the video description. First one is ipconfig /flush DNS, and press enter. Next type ipconfig /register DNS, and press enter. Now type ipconfig /release, and press enter. Type ipconfig /renew, and press enter. And last command will be netsh winsock reset, and press enter. Close this window, and restart your computer. After restart, launch your Fall Guys, and your problem should be fixed, and you can continue to play your favorite game. Next is to change DNS. Right-click on Start, and select Search. Type Control Panel. Click on Control Panel up here. Here, select View by Category. And then click here on View Network Status and Tasks. Now click here on Change Adapter Settings. Right-click on your active network adapter, and select Properties. Select Internet Protocol version 4, TCP, IPv4, and then click here on Properties. Down here, check this option. Use the following DNS server addresses. Next to preferred DNS server type, 8.8.8.8. Next to alternate DNS server type, 8.8.4.4. That is Google Open DNS Server. When you are done, click on OK, and here on OK. Run the Fall Guys now and check is the error gone. For last solution, you can open your Epic Games Launcher, and click on your account up here. Select Sign Out, and then sign in again. Many people claims that re-logging to their Epic Games account solved this error for them, so you can also try this. With this, we came to end of this video. I hope that I helped you to fix your Fall Guys launching problems. If I did, please like this video, and subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.